Is joint tenants with rights of survivorship. It's a way to make your property avoid the probate process and automatically go down to your spouse. So typically what's going to happen is you and your spouse will own your property as tenants in common by default, and then you can update your title to be joint tenants with rights of survivorship. With that, you will each own 50-50 of that property, and then when one of you passes away, your half of the house will go automatically down to your surviving spouse and avoid the probate process completely. So what they're going to need to do when one of you passes away is go to the county clerk's office, file a survivorship affidavit and a death certificate, and they will process those documents and make the transfer of ownership, and then the surviving spouse will then own 100% of that property without having to go through probate. The problem with probate is going to be the house will get frozen in probate for up to a year and a half. And the other problem that's a little bit deeper is that generally people in a household are relying on both sets of income to be able to afford the cost of living. And then when you cut the income for that household in half by losing someone, typically you're going to be in a financial bind, and you won't be able to sell that house to position yourself better financially. And so what they're going to do is put themselves in a financial bind. They won't be able to get out of it until probate's over, and it just puts them in a little bit of a pickle. So the easy way to do this is to update your title to be joint tenants with rights of survivorship. That way it automatically avoids the probate process, and they can do what's best for the family financially to get out of the bind that they are in when one of the spouses passes away. If you want help setting this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.